Hi there, I am Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. Welcome to my channel Funics Reader. In the group 2 sounds, you have learned that C has a sound K has a sound K, and E has a sound E. If you haven't seen the previous lesson videos, the links are in the description. Subscribe for more video lessons. In this video, let's learn two new letter sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at the picture. The boy is making the sound H. H. Do you know which letter makes the sound H? It's the letter H. H has a sound H. Let's say it together. H has a sound H. H has a sound H. Great job. Look at the picture. The puppy is ripping the rag and making the sound R. R. Do you know which letter has a sound R? It's the letter R. R has a sound R. Let's say it together. R has a sound R. R has a sound R. Good job. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You know that the letter H has a sound H. Now we are going to read a three-letter word using the sounds we already know. So let's blend three sounds together. What is this sound? H. What is this sound? I. Let's blend them. H, I. Hi. What is this sound? T. Shall we blend them all? H, I, hi, t. Hit. Let's try again. H, I, hi, t. Hit. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? H. What is this sound? E. Let's blend them. H, E, he. What is this sound? Shall we blend them all? H, E, he, hen. Let's try again. H, E, he, hen. Great job! You just read another three-letter word. You know that the letter R makes the sound R. Let's read another three-letter word. What is this sound? R. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. R, A, ra. What is this sound? T. Shall we blend them all? R, A, ra, t. Rat. Shall we try again? R, A, ra, t. Rat. Great job. You just read another three-letter word. Let's read another three-letter word. What is this sound? R. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. R, A, ra. What is this sound? Shall we blend them all? R, A, ra. Ran. Let's try again. R, A, ra. Ran. Great job. You just read another three-letter word. Now you know H has a sound H, R has a sound R. Subscribe for more phonics lessons. Keep practicing the sounds every day and try to blend and read the words. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.